Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka National People's Party Haka khalai terek unailur arjarapsan kala pelong ya ka Jingïalang Sngewlem ha office trekam jong ka party ha nongba shalong halor ka jingkladno jong udkhot ka party u Dr. Didi Lapang. Ha ka Jingïalang lai simbentalang dau National President ka party u Conrad ki sangma u bala longru u menteri rangba ka jela. U State President ka NPP u ba Prestun Tensong ki MLA ki MDC jong ka party bat ki Nonghikai ba Hakmat jong ka party.
One of the tallest leaders that Meghalaya has produced, passed away and left us in the evening yesterday in Bethany Hospital. Late Dr. Didi Lapang was 94 years old and has been a leader who has very actively contributed immensely to the state of Meghalaya and to the people of our state. He had joined the National People's Party a few years back and had been one of the guiding lights and leaders for the National People's Party. On a personal note, he has also worked as the chief advisor to the government. And I recall that when he was appointed the chief advisor, many people thought that we are just simply giving him a political position. But let me share with you, that in spite of his age, in spite of his health condition, whenever there was a very important political situation in the state, he would be one of the first people to call me. He would be one of the first to write to me and guide me on how that situation should be addressed and give his opinion on the matter. And as I said, in spite of his age, at that point also, he truly was committed to the position and to the work and the responsibility that he was given. That is Dr. Didi Lapang for you. We have lost a mentor, we have lost a father figure, we have lost a person who had huge experience and who had been guiding us in difficult situations and positions that we went through. As party president at the national level, I express my deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family. On behalf of the family of the NPP, we send our deepest condolences to the family members, and we pray to Almighty that He may give strength to His family members to be able to bear the loss that they have had, to be able to move forward. We pray to Almighty that all the people who have been touched by the works, the deeds, the words of late Dr. Lapang, who will miss him today. We pray that Almighty will give strength to each and every one of them. So on behalf of the party, as I said, once again, it is a great, great loss, and we have specially called this particular condolence meeting and prayer meeting specially to pay our deepest respects to the departed soul.